In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do the rearrange edit, more commonly known as swapping clips on the timeline. Let's say you have a clip over here. You think it would look better going before the clip over here. You just want to flip-flop the two. Well, normally you pick it up, right? Move it over, move the other one over, make some space, push them together. There is a really easy keyboard shortcut. And once you know it, you're going to use it forever. Well, let me show you how to do it. Okay, you're editing your video and you decide that this clip is going to look better in front of this clip. So you probably do something like this, right? Drag this over. Maybe you can get fancy and select both of them, drag it over, and make sure you don't overlap that other clip. You pull down, right? You've all done that. Everybody's done that until they learn this keyboard shortcut, which is Command-Option on a Mac, Control-Alt on a PC. Simply select the clip, hit Command-Option. You see it turns the cursor into that little arrow. But as soon as you start dragging, it's going to turn into a curved arrow, which is the rearrange edit icon. Now you're ready to swap out the clips. You're simply going to drag that clip with the rearrange icon with Command-Option held. And these two clips over here are just going to pull over to the right and fill in this space. So Command-Option, drag it over, let go, and boom. You see those other two clips moved over. It works the exact same way. Even if the clip is linked with audio, just hit Command-Option. You see, as I start to drag it, it gets that rearrange edit icon. The curved arrow, just bring it wherever you want. Let go. Everything else is going to move over to the right, and you can just insert it right wherever you want. So the next time you need to rearrange or swap out clips on the timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro, remember the rearrange edit shortcut Command-Option on a Mac, Control-Alt on a PC.